Merry Christmas 2019. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, boys. Look at our tree. It's decorated. Santa came. No way. Santa brought so much stuff, dude. So yeah, we're just waiting for NAOMI Thrash. I think Santa left his hat, waiting for the Thrash to come down the steps. And then Christmas morning is gonna start. Rachel wanted a custom cabinet for Christmas and a pan rack. I got that ladder at the antique store, turned it into a pan rack for her. And then I got all this wood and made this custom shelf here. It's pretty gnarly. It opens up and everything. Yeah, I can't believe I made that actually. Pretty gnarly. What do you think's in the stockings? Stocking stuffers. Stuff this. Dude, it's already 6:48. I don't think this bitch wants to even see Santa.
She's so worried about sleeping good for Santa, she's not waking up.
No way.
My first Christmas gift on Christmas morning.
That's what you're claiming. Whopper 300 milligram, boys.
I don't know how I can get on the roof.
Do you think Santa came?
Did Santa come last night?
Oh my gosh, do you think he came? Did you hear him on the roof?
No.
Or were you sleeping like a baby?
You were sleeping. You slept right through Santa. Let's see, did he eat his cookies? He ate his cookies and milk.
Oh my gosh, did Santa come? Oh, he left a couple pieces. He drank all his milk though. Did he leave any presents?
How do you eat how much?
He ate all the Christmas cookies. That's why he has such a big belly.
Where are our cookies for us?
Oh, they're over there. Want one?
Yeah.
Is that one?
Yeah. I really guys want to see what it is.
First present. Underpants!
Yeah, I like her house. Ah, this one is cool.
Is that one?
Yeah. Look.
Hi.
Pluto.
Yeah.
What is this next present?
Well, now you gotta open it to find out.
Well, this one is from Mommy and Daddy. To NAOMI from Mommy and Daddy.
Is this one mine?
It's yours from me and Daddy.
And the other one's mine? Everything is mine?
Not everything. There's some presents for Daddy and some presents for Marshall.
Is Marsha gonna need presents? No. There might be a new helmet.
Oh my gosh, no way.
So now you can ride a motorcycle with Daddy and have your own helmet that fits.
Oh my gosh.
It's a real big girl helmet.
BMX.
I think it's
Moto.
not for Mommy.
That's for Mommy, yeah.
Here, let's go in here. To NAOMI Thrash from the Island of Misfit Toys. This one came from the Island of Misfit Toys.
Yep.
Santa remembered to get them.
Open it up, see what it is.
Okay, it might be a baby doll.
You think?
Gotta check it out.
Then you got the underwear. Oh, puppies.
This is for you.
This is for me.
Yeah, it's for you.
What's in the bag? Ah! Ah!
Oh my gosh, I reused the bag.
Oh, she reuses the bags.
Oh, Daddy!
To Alien from Mermaid.
It's from inside.
Oh, dude. Ghetto Cowboy. How'd you find it? It says fragile. Don't flip or rotate this end up. Contents may bite.
A spice.
For NAOMI, Radical, and Croc Hunting Crew. Don't flip it.
Good luck on your next mission.
There might be more stuff.
Only true croc hunters hold the right to the skull of Thrash. What is it? I'm scared. Oh my gosh. It's a skull. A crocodile skull. Wow. That is crazy. What do you think about that?
He bit me.
Jump!
Santa brought this one. Open this one.
And maybe this guy. Maybe other puppy juice.
I don't know. Check it out.
Maybe it's a helicopter. I wanted this thing.
There
I
it is.
really wanted this thing.
You got it.
I have a papa tune. Oh, we should need Rocky. Yeah, Juma. You need to Rocky and I sing. Look, the Rocky's on the... Yeah, Marshall. I first didn't really see.
Damn, dude, no way. Here we go. Look what's in the bike. Look what's in the truck, dude. Merry Christmas, Hob. Here we go. Going to get the boys. Then we're going on a crazy mission in King of Prussia that we've wanted to conquer for a little while now. So here we go. Woo!
It's
Christmas Day 2019.
ready for it. Merry Christmas, motherfucker.
What are you ready for?
This fucking mission. We're conquering this place, dude.
Oh
This
my
is an
God.
elusive spot. We're doing it, bro. We're doing it today. Doing it.
So you're thinking because it's Christmas Day, we're gonna be there and go all elusively.
Yeah. I think it's gonna work. Drove by already. There wasn't like anybody there. So maybe we're gonna be fine. I'm not worried. Shit could be fun.
Oh, I'm ready to check
It's a
it
little
out.
bit of a long ride to get there from where we're gonna park, but
So he wants to warm these up here so when we get there, we can just take them out and disappear and be as stealth as possible so we can get the golden goose. New tech, Alex just figured out how to hook them up front, both facing forwards. Obviously, for people that have been riding moto for years, they probably think we're retarded, but that was, we used to have one backwards, one forwards. Now we have them both forwards. Wow, we look freaking like racers, dude. Dude, searching for the elusive spot on Christmas.
heavy searching.
I think we'll go left here, you're saying?
Yeah, go left here.
How elusive is this? I don't think this is that elusive. You were acting like this was an elusive spot.
Well, to get into it, the spot we're going to, yeah.
Sometimes I think your and my idea of elusivity is a little different. Just really hot if the cops ever suspect, like, looking for anybody's truck that's in the vicinity, like, but hey, Alex, we're committed right now. And I'm looking at it like, dude, come on, guys, give us a break, it's Christmas.
Yeah, dude.
Bike's out, boys. This guy's over here acting all stealth. Gonna put my gloves on. So where are we going first?
We're going up and we have to make our way to the train tracks. We're heading down to the service roads, remember?
Filling up, dog? Getting ready for a savage mission in your head?
Oh yeah, watch out here.
It's just gonna be gnarly.
Watch out, this parking lot.
He's panicking, dude. He's already panicking, and we're not even 3 feet into the mission. Let's go! Here we go, guys. This is gonna be gnarly. I'm fucking in race mode.
Go up, or should we just try and go down that?
Let's just go up. That's gonna be so fucked up. Then we go right. sketchy spot he's claiming. I actually don't know what he's claiming. Where?
It's over here.
This is the elusive place that he's been trying to find near his house. It's not that good, but we're gonna make the best of it. What? I say we go ride those coal piles real quick. Coming up with a board like that, you think? Oh, yeah.